Hello and welcome. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to integrate Power BI with IdeaScale so that you can create insightful dashboards and make informed decisions with your community data. Quick note before we begin, Power BI does not work on Apple devices. With that being said, let's move forward with your Windows device and set up Power BI for your IdeaScale community. First, go to ideascale.com/PowerBI integration and download the Power BI Custom Connector Setup zip file. It's important that you select the correct instance. Otherwise, the connector will not be compatible with your community. For instance, if your community is hosted in the US region, ensure you don't mistakenly download the EU version. If you're not sure about your community's hosting location, please consult our 24/7 live chat support. We're always here to help you. Now, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find three key files. 1. A PBIX file called IdeaScale Analytics version 1. We'll get back to this one later. 2. IdeaScale Connector Setup.msi. And 3. A .exe file called Setup version 1.0.0. Open the Setup.exe file to start the installation. A system prompt may appear, asking for your confirmation. Simply click Run Anyway. From here on, simply follow the on-screen prompts, choose your preferred installation folder, and keep on clicking Next. Once the installation wraps up, you can close the pop-up window. Great! You have successfully installed the Power BI connector on your desktop. Now it's time to install Power BI in your IdeaScale community with one click. Simply head over to Community Settings, scroll down to Integration, select App Directory. Look for Power BI and click on the Install button. That's it, the setup is done. With the connector in place and the app ready in your community, launch the Power BI desktop app on your Windows device. Locate and open the IdeaScale Analytics version 1.pbix file. The data you see in this file are placeholders, not your community data. Now, to connect your data from IdeaScale Analytics to Power BI, click on File, then Get Data from the Home ribbon in Power BI Desktop. On the left sidebar, opt for Other. Now, search or select IdeaScale Analytics Beta and hit the Connect button. You'll now find a prompt to sign in to your IdeaScale Analytics account. Click the Sign In button and enter the URL of your IdeaScale community. Your community URL may look something like this: communityname.ideascale.com, which you will find under General Info in Community Settings. Finally, before you proceed, make sure you don't include https:// in the URL. Next, you'll find yourself on the familiar IdeaScale login page. Use your regular IdeaScale credentials to sign in. Once you're in, hit the Connect button to finish the integration. After the connection is established, close the Power BI Navigator section. Now it's time to load all your data. To do so, head over to the Power BI toolbar and click the Refresh button. A little patience might be in order since the initial load can take a few minutes. But soon enough, you will have a dashboard of your community data with pre-built visualizations. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some limitations when accessing IdeaScale Analytics data with Power BI. 1. IdeaScale Analytics has a built-in limit of 1,000 rows returned per API call. 2. Only IdeaScale community administrators can access the API. 3. If the authentication token expires, expect an error message when the API call is made. Similarly, if a community administrator account gets locked or the community itself is blocked, the API call will, unfortunately, result in an error. Lastly, as of now, social login isn't supported with IdeaScale Analytics. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to integrating Power BI with your IdeaScale community, empowering you to analyze your community data using powerful visualizations, gain valuable insights, and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.